is Mayie and welcome to another episode of Mayie Maylabs. And it's my first time to film a video after cutting my hair this short and donating it to Hair for Hope. By the way guys, thank you so much for those who shared my hair donation vlog, for those who sent me DMs, thank you so much for those warm messages I received. I do appreciate all of you guys. You know who you are and I'm so grateful of you. So yes, in case that you want to donate yours, please do so. Just keep it healthy, of course. You don't know how much you can make someone happy by just giving your hair. Yeah. Alright, for today's video, we're gonna be doing a product review and I'm so excited because it's another first time in my channel. And this product is for eyebrows because again and again and again, kilay is life. And this product is called Bushybrow by Carla Marie and it is 150 pesos each. Okay, we'll be talking about this product later. And this brow game has been trending ever since, but it became more buzzing over the internet for the netizens, especially the women, because a lot of them are posting online how their hair brows have grown so much. For those who used to groom their brows regularly but couldn't go out because of the quarantine period and they cannot do it on their own, so their hair brows became bushy and became more feathery, and then they discovered that it is even more stylish than the clean or well-plucked brows. You know what I mean? So that's it. I hope it makes sense. So there you have it. I discovered this product on Instagram because one time I was browsing on my IG followers and then I saw this Bushybrow Batangas account. It's new on my list and then I checked out its profile, and because I was so curious about the product itself, I contacted the seller and sent her a message that I wanted to be a city distributor. I decided to get that slot because it's still new, so wala pa masyadong wala pang city distributor dito sa lugar namin kasi nga bago pa lang siya. But guess what? Wala pa akong benta kasi hindi ko siya maasikaso. So, i-review ko na lang siya. Malay mo, magustuhan mo, diba? Bumili ka na lang sa akin. Ganun. I have the 3 shades with me. The black, clear, and brown. My shade preferences are black and clear. But I use black most of the time because, yeah, my hair is black. So let's begin with the packaging. It is resealable clear plastic pouch. Thick yung plastic, so I think tatagal naman siya. And kapag aalis ka, madali lang siyang i-grab from your bag for retouch. And it comes with an instruction guide for you to know how to use it. There. And spoolie, of course. And the product itself, this one, Bushy. So its holder is a container can. May lock naman siya, so hindi siya basta-basta malulusin. And madali lang siyang buksan. So let's open this one. Okay, so ito yung texture niya. Pag hinawakan mo siya, para lang siyang regular soap. So I think sulit naman yung 150 pesos mo dito. Matagal mo siyang magagamit. Minimalist lang yung packaging nila. Like, yung paggamit din nito, minimalist lang din because it's super easy to apply. And unlike the regular soap, it is more dense kasi nasa container can siya. So, yan. Let's try it now. I already applied my skincare earlier, but I don't have makeup yet. So yeah, this is how my natural brows look like. I haven't plucked my brows since I did my Kilay on Fleek vlog. I'll just insert the video card here for your reference. So it's about a month ago already. I think I also shared with you guys that yung pagkikilay ko depends on my mood. Sometimes I want it to be on fleek, or sometimes I just want it to be natural looking or bushy, or sometimes I prefer not to wear anything at all na pang kilay. Okay, so let's read the instruction here. First, wet the spoolie with water or mist. So it depends on you if water or mist ang gagamitin mo. For me, I used to bend the spoolie like this para mas maganda yung pag-apply. So let's spray water or mist. But I used a mist. So second, glide the spoolie into the brow soap. And third, brush the brows upward or in the direction you want your hairs to stand. Fourth is use your favorite eyebrow pencil or gel to add fullness to the brows it desired. So, okay. Alright, so dun tayo sa number 3. Yun na yung pag-apply. Brush the brows upward. Okay. On the direction you want your hair to stand. Actually, na-try ko na ito before. Siyempre, diba? Ito yung regular brows ko and then ito yung my Bushybrow. For you to achieve the desired look of Bushybrow, you have to be patient in brushing your brows. That's it. You need to be patient in brushing. The more you brush, the more it is effective. Ganda niya na, diba? Ganda. So, diba? That's it! As easy as 1, 2, 3, you have your feathery and bushy brows done. I love this kind of brow product compared to the usual like pencil, pomade, palette, or wax because nalulusaw sila. Pag napawisan ka, wala na, hulas na rin yung shade ng kilay mo. With this kind of brow product, you'll stay fresh all day. And it's your choice if you want to add pencil or brow gel, depends on you. I usually add clear brow gel to keep it long lasting, especially while at work. I also want to share with you the beautiful facts about Bushybrow. So it has castor oil that promotes hair growth. So aside from making your brows look bushy, it can grow your hair brows so it can become more bushy, diba, later on. Also, it has aloe vera that soothes and moisturizes your hair. Wow, diba? Ang gandang content din ng aloe vera for your hair brows. And it has vitamin E that keeps your skin healthy and safe from irritation. Safe for pregnant. And what I like the most about this product is that it is vegan made. So wow, big thumbs up for that because I really love vegan made products pero hindi ako vegan. So yeah, plus points talaga siya for me. I know Kilay's life, but it's my first time to encounter such brow product that does not only promote beauty but healthy ingredients as well. And if you're not into makeup and you just want to add a little extra on your face and still wishing to achieve natural look, then I do highly recommend this Bushybrow by Carla Marie. It is very affordable for only 150 pesos because I won't bother myself to be a city distributor and sell this product if it won't pass my standards. Joke lang. At this point, I'll just finish my makeup. Just hold on. But as you can see guys, kilay lang yung nilagay ko kanina pero pwede na siya, diba? But just hold on.